Hello, English A1 speaking activity. Describing your family. Family Cristancho Daza. My name is Maria Carolina Daza. I am 48 years old. I am studying public econ. I am from Colombia. I live in Bogota. My eyes are big and brown. My hair is long and black. My personality is nice and friendly. My hair is wet, short, and little happy. My mother is Balbina Daza. She is 17 years old. She is at home. She is very beautiful. She is shorter than me. She has brown eyes and short hair. She cooks delicious meals. My husband is Pedro Cristancho. He is 48 years old. He works in drywall. He has blue eyes and blonde hair. He is friendly. He is very happy. We have two daughters, Lina Paola and Maria Fernanda. Lina Paola is 26 years old. She is administrative assistant. She is friendly and cool. She has brown eyes and hair black. She lives with her husband. They live in Bogota. Maria Fernanda is 25 years old. She's nursing studying. She's nice and sweet. She has blue eyes and blonde hair. We have two grandchildren, Sofia and Thomas. Sofia, she's 8 years old. She likes to dance. She's sweet. Thomas, he's 3 years old. He's in the garden. He likes to play. I love my family. They are the engine every day. Thank you.